We love our pets. They bring energy, comfort, and a whole lot of personality into our homes. But just like we need our walks and routines, our homes need their own kind of care to stay balanced. You see, it's not just about keeping things tidy, it's about creating a healthy and happy space for everyone. Two of the most powerful ways to do that are vacuuming regularly and taking your pets on daily walks. It might sound simple, but trust me, these habits can make a world of difference. You might not always see it, but pet hair and dander are like little ninjas hiding everywhere. They cling to carpets, furniture, even those beautiful curtains you love. And guess what? These ninjas bring friends, dust mites and bacteria. Now, just like a dog that doesn't get enough exercise can get into trouble, these uninvited guests can cause problems too. Allergies, asthma flare-ups, itchy skin, you name it. But don't worry, we have a secret weapon. The vacuum cleaner. Regular vacuuming, especially with one designed for pet hair, is like sending in a pack of expert trackers to capture those ninjas and restore peace to your home. Pet hair isn't just about allergens, it's about respecting your den. Just like a dog takes pride in a clean, well-maintained space, we should too. When we let pet hair build up, it's like letting chaos take over. Carpets get dull, furniture loses its freshness, and suddenly your home doesn't feel as inviting. Remember, a calm and assertive energy starts with our environment. Vacuuming 3 to 4 times a week, especially in high-traffic areas, is like giving your home a regular dose of discipline, keeping things in check and maintaining that feeling of order. And for those furry friends who shed like it's their job, daily vacuuming is your best bet. Trust me, your home will thank you for it. You know, we invest a lot in our homes, furniture, carpets, those little decorative touches that make it ours. These things are important. They create the energy and atmosphere of our space. But just like a dog needs proper training and care, our homes need maintenance to stay healthy. Vacuuming isn't just about cleanliness, it's about protecting your investment. Those few minutes you spend vacuuming, they add up to big savings in the long run. It's about respecting what you've built and making sure it lasts. Now let's talk about our furry companions. Just like we need our routines, our dogs need theirs. And nothing beats a good daily walk. It's not just about exercise, it's about fulfilling their primal instincts. A walk is a sensory experience for a dog. Smells, sounds, sights. It keeps their minds engaged and their bodies balanced. When a dog is mentally and physically stimulated, they're less likely to find trouble inside. They're calmer, more relaxed and happier. And a happy dog makes for a happy home. And here's a secret, those daily walks, they're not just good for your dog, they're good for you too. You're moving your body, breathing fresh air and connecting with your furry friend. It's amazing how much calmer and more centered you feel after a good walk. It's like a reset button for both of you. Now I know what you're thinking, Cesar, I'm busy, but trust me, incorporating these habits into your routine is easier than you think. Start small, a quick 15-minute walk in the morning, a quick vacuum of the high-traffic areas. Then in the evening, a longer walk, maybe 20 to 30 minutes, and a spot vacuum if needed. And once a week, give your home a thorough cleaning like a pack leader asserting their dominance. Remember, consistency is key. It's about establishing a rhythm, a flow for both you and your pet. Now, just like you wouldn't train a dog without the right tools, you need the right tools for these tasks. Invest in a good vacuum cleaner, one built for pet hair. Empty that container frequently. A full container is like a tired dog. It can't perform at its best. When you walk your dog, use a sturdy leash and a comfortable harness. Remember, the walk is about connection, not about pulling and yanking. These small details make all the difference. Now, remember, every dog is different, and so is every home. During shedding seasons, you'll need to vacuum more often. Older dogs might need shorter, gentler walks, and for those little puppies and kittens, well, it's never too early to start establishing good habits. Early training is crucial for a balanced and well-behaved dog. Remember, you're the pack leader in your home. Set the tone, create the structure, and your furry friend will follow. Keeping a clean, happy and healthy home doesn't have to be complicated. It's about incorporating simple daily practices, like vacuuming and walking your pet. These habits aren't just about appearances. They're about creating a balanced and harmonious environment for both you and your furry companion. When you invest a little effort every day, you'll be rewarded with a cleaner, more vibrant living space and a healthier, happier dog. And that, my friends, is a beautiful thing.